My name is Kevin Mast, and I'm the product manager for commercial cardio. Matrix is a global brand. We design and manufacture pretty much any product that you would need to own and operate a gym or a club. Anything from a full line of cardio equipment through strength equipment, plate-loaded, selectorized. This is the S-Drive Performance Trainer, and it's a simple machine. There are a couple different things that you can do with it. As a part of an interval is a rest. All right, so we wanted to have something that was easy enough that when you're out of that 10-15 seconds that you could just walk on it, right? So the harness allows you to do that. Get on, start walking. With the harness off, that allows you to do sled pushes, right? So you can push here, here, depending on the activity that you're doing. You can do sled pushes or sled pulls. There's two different brakes. This is a sled brake, so it'll control the amount of resistance. At max resistance, it's 270 pounds. And there's also a parachute brake on the opposite side. So if you're used to doing resisted sprint drills, whether that's with a parachute or whether that's with a partner pulling on you, that allows you to get the amount of resistance that you would be used to doing those kind of drills. There wasn't anything else that we were aware of that would allow a coach to observe an athlete in real time during multiple phases of a sprint. So standing next to this, the coach can adjust the sled brake, the coach can adjust the parachute brake, and watch the athlete, monitor his performance in real time, provide coaching in real time in a way that you really can't do with any other product. So for explosive movements, for sprinting, for any position that requires that, a fast start off the line in a couple steps. So within that first 5, 10, 15 seconds of a sprint, a coach is able to stand here, coach the athlete, provide cues in a way that he wouldn't be able to do outside or wouldn't be able to do on another product. With the harness, there's nothing holding you in. You have complete freedom of movement. So you can move laterally, you can go in reverse. So if you're working on defensive drills where you're going backwards, you can practice that as well. From a dead stop to as fast as you need to go. You can work on hip mobility. And again, to have the coach be able to watch an athlete turn and move very quickly in real time and provide cueing, right next to the athlete, again, is something that we didn't know existed and really helped to drive the design of the harness. One of the things, if you are working on power, you can push here, you can push here, you can push on this lower sled bar. You can take the front part of the harness off. You can see that there's a connection point here and a connection point here. Just using the back end of the harness around the hips, you can actually get down all the way onto the ground to do bear crawls. With the combination of the harness and the angle of the deck, this does not allow you to heel strike. So if you're working on sprint mechanics and you want to get your feet under your hips to make sure that you're delivering all the power to the ground and accelerating quickly, that combination of deck and harness are going to allow you to do that. So if coaches would like some more information on the S-Drive Performance Trainer, you can find us online at matrixfitness.com or find us on Facebook at Matrix Fitness USA.